Hey everyone, it's Ben with Buy It, Break It, Fix It, and I got
Lucas.
He's here with me. Let's do another giveaway. This will be for the Axio Scx24 lineup of trucks. We're going to do the Hot Racing Shocks. Let me hit focus and bam. Luke, with each one, we will give you a 5-gallon bucket with a toilet seat because out on the trail, it's so important that you have somewhere to take a poo-poo or a doo-doo, whatever you want to call it. We have a wheel chock. And we have a little milk crate. Now, all of these were 3D printed by me, but the file was donated by Nomad RC. Check him out. Really awesome guy to be able to share the file. The toilet seat does pop off in case you just want to use it as a bucket instead of a pooper. All right, so we'll do one set of shocks with one set of scale items. Here you go. You can hold on. Here. Mike Jernick, you won the stamped beadlock wheels. I need you to email me at buyitbreakitfixit@gmail.com because I need you to pick out the tires that you want. That way we can continue doing tire giveaways. I don't know what we're going to do for the next giveaway. Possibly a front axle, something like that. I don't know. I usually just come in here and tell Luke to pick something he wants to give away. Yeah. And we pretty much give away. So, no affiliation with YouTube, no affiliation with Hot Racing, any of that kind of stuff. This is all sponsored by Luke, 100% by Luke. Yep. Luke cleans toilets and he gets money for... No, I'm just kidding. He doesn't clean toilets. No, it is, you know, it's kind of both of our ideas. We're kind of sitting around talking about it, and Luke's like, why don't you just do giveaways? So I give Luke credit for it because, you know, he helps push me and motivate me to do better for my channel. So I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. All right, so there you go. Let's see. What do they have to say to get entered in?
It's going to be a rough ride.
It's going to be a rough ride. Must comment that down in this video below. You must share it on some kind of social media and let us know what platform you shared it on, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit. If you don't have any of those social media platforms, just share it. Just text somebody or send them the link to the video or something like that and let us know what you've done. That way we know you've done something. So, and of course, subscribe to the channel. We always appreciate the support. The more you support us, the more we can support you. So we appreciate it, you know. I don't think my kids ever thought my YouTube channel was going to grow to be this big, honestly.
Yeah.
Do you?
I mean, I thought it was just going to be something like, my dad has a YouTube channel, that's about it. But no, like, he has a YouTube channel. It's not like just the thing. It's like, it's important.
And now we're up to 7,000 subscribers. 7,000 people. That's insane to me. Mm-hmm. So, all right, everybody. You want some Hot Racing Shocks? Get on those comments down below. Thank you, everybody, for being here and being part of the channel. We appreciate it. You go ahead and do the sign off.
Mm-hmm. Well, all right. Well, that's the end of this video. I'm Lucas. This is my dad.
Ben.
Bye.
You got to do our saying.
All right. Be good to people, and people will be good to you. And I'm Lucas. Out.
Ben out. Good job, buddy.